Khuda Aur Mohabbat Season 3 digital presented by Happy Like Paints. Okay, so the writings of Hashim Nadeem Khan is directions by the Sayyid Wajahat Hussain and productions of Seventh Sky Entertainment. Khuda Aur Mohabbat 3 are highly anticipated dramas of recently time have begun last night. The very first episode made is obviously the scene is going to be very different from the previous scene. However, it will have a few elements that are going to be similar, serving as a reminders of the love story to the viewer have seen and loved to the first two seasons of Khuda Aur Mohabbat. We will be completely honest, right at the beginning we expected to see some more similarities, hoping this is what is going to the link the third season of the previous two, making it stay true to the season and the theme. But as the episode progressed, we realized to get a few elements, and that is completely fine. The first episode made it is very obvious that this is season of Khuda Aur Mohabbat is going to have its own identity, its own story, and the characters are going to have their own personality. The first episode was definitely impressive and made us feel it is the kind of drama that is going to be quite enjoyable and watch. Another thing that was worth notice was how both Fahad and Mahi had a very different personalities to Hamad and Imran that the viewers have loved. One kind of feel that the writers made their characters very normal and relatable, so that when they both will embarks on the journey of self-discovery, when the life will put them through a trial and tribunals, their transformations will have a lot of more impact. The cast and the characters. The first episode covered to the life of Fahad Firoz Khan in a lot of details. He belongs to a lower middle class family but has big dramas and aspirations. So far he is not really figured out the purpose of his life and only have a weird idea that he wants to make too big. This attitude of Fahad is exactly the reasons why he has a strained relationship with the father. However, his father Sajjad is the ideal son of comparison, a lot of filling his father's wishes. Father's Tawfiq Wasim Abbas is a clerk, his mother Sriya Bibi Asma Abbas is a housewife, his brother Sajid Fawad Jalal is going to be a civil officer, and the sister Hira Somru is a college student. Farhad has been struggled to complete his BA, and it seems he is going to flunk this year too. Mahi Ikra Aziz come from an affluent family. At the moment she has come to Lahore to attend her best friend's Rida Mehrbani weddings. Mahi's sister-in-law Sahiba Sunista Marshall is complaining her Mahi father is Kazim Shah Usman Pirzada, resident in the Bahawalpur and run his business there. So far the impressions Mahi has given so that they have smooth and life probably because she is the youngest in the family. She has been pampered to an extent where she likes to be in control of everything is enjoyable. Authorities on the other hand, there is a Taimur Shah Mirza Zain Beg who has also come from the affluent family. His brother Skandar Junaid is the feudal lord and that has been revolted about them. However, Taimur has been philosophical lookout than his encounters with Darwish Nurul Hassan was one of the most interesting moments of this episode, which was define what is going to experience in the near future. Taimur has already been in interactions with the Mahi and seems to be keeping tabs on her because he certainly has developed strong feelings for her. The story was established strongly, and all the movements will cover and the life happenings for Ahad were done really well. On Mahi's front, I did feel things covered with what trunted down to the decision somehow was a well balanced contrast with the thing being so normal and mellow and for hard life but happening is Mahi. In the very first episode, Feroz Khan had definitely stood out and a lot of captured my interest as a viewer. He filtered the characters of Farhad efficiently. Ikra Aziz was cute too, but all this while I was reminded to all of her previous dramas in which she was done more or less similar kinds of roles in acting. The first episode of Khuda Aur Mohabbat gave us the best opening that our viewer expected. It was not only well directed but well framed, had its own story to tell. It shows that a lot of efforts into the creating this ceramic experience for the viewers and actually contributed a lot of making an impact on keeping me engaged. The aerial views were beyond impression, and it shows that this drama has been approached articles by the directions. And other things I liked was how there was a comic element in most of the scene because of things are going to be good, too dense and grave to the story of will progress. So the thick off on the hilarious note and the googie move, the fact that the story how was made character also made, and the episode seems fast produced because a lot of happenings and there much to be adorable. The only thing that was unexpected was the attires of Mahi when he traveled. I thought they were going to bring that elements from the previous scene, whereas Mahi is going to be obvious hijabs, but as the episode progress, its camera was a bit confused. The niqab went away right when she reached Lahore, and after that she was at her glamorous best. Even more Rida suggests they are going shopping. Mahi dressed to the nines with her short hairs, whereas the love trend episodes the focus was on the luxurious long legs and elaborating hairstyle. Not only Mahi's her sisters-in-law had two different attires, so not sure if the obviously hijabs only the Bahawal portion are not allowed in the Jews when they are elsewhere. Here's to hoping that we are going to be explanations about the episode to come.